A Marine veteran from Virginia is embarking on a very long and wet Christmas journey. He's jet skiing down the east coast of the U.S., and he's doing it all to raise money and help other disabled veterans in need. Fox 5's Alexandra Limon caught up with him before he jetted off.
Well, when you think Christmas in D.C., you think jet skiing, right? Well, that's exactly what one U.S. Marine veteran is doing to help other veterans. The one-week, 1,200-mile ride from outside of D.C. to Miami kicked off Christmas Eve morning.
We equipped our skis and we equipped ourselves with the right gear for this sort of thing. So you can see I'm wearing a dry suit. This keeps me safe from the elements, keeps me dry inside.
His helmet has communications gear and protects him from bad weather. The gas tank gets him up to 200 miles at a time. He even has storage for food. And once he's on the water, it's go time, even if it's against the current.
My biggest fear is a lot of wind. Wind creates choppy conditions. Choppy conditions slow us down tremendously.
Major Ewing created TakePointNow, a jet skiing group that raises money for veterans issues and suicide prevention through the Semper Fi Fund. For him, the long, wet rides are all worth it.
Absolutely. I don't want to be doing anything else. What else would I be doing right now?
I love you. Be safe.
But the point of all of it is to raise funds. So if you'd like to help, head to TakePointNow.com. Reporting in Lorton, Alexandra Limon, Fox 5 Local News.